Hello students, today I am here with the chapter 1 question answer. Today I will discuss the question answer of chapter 1, that is crop production and management. In this video mainly I am going to discuss the objective type question, that means take the correct option, fill in the blanks, true and false, crossword, and after that in the next video we will discuss the short answer and long answer type question. So let's start first with the take the correct answer. First question is, which of the following is a method of irrigation? Options are drip, plowing, broadcasting and compost, and the answer will be drip. Drip system, that is the method of irrigation, and other are the process. Plowing, that is the process of loosening and turning the soil. Broadcasting, that is the method of sowing of seeds. Compost, that is organic manure. Next question is, which of the following is a rabi crops? Cotton, soya bean, wheat and maize, and the answer will be wheat, because wheat is a rabi crops and rest are kharif crops. Third question, which of the following is not a kharif crops? Pea, groundnut, millets and sugarcane, and the answer will be pea. Why? Because the pea, that is the example of rabi crops and rest are kharif crops. Fourth question, which of the following is a method of sowing seeds? And options are plowing, broadcasting, irrigation and harvesting, and the answer will be broadcasting. That is one of the method of sowing seeds. Next question, fifth question, nitrosomonas helps in the process of. Options are denitrification, nitrogen assimilation, nitrification and ammonification, and the answer will be nitrification. Next question, which of the following is not an insecticide? Options are malathion, gamexin, DDT and Birchler, and the answer will be Birchler. Rest are insecticide, but Birchler is the example of weedicides, which is used for killing the unwanted plants. Seventh question, which of the following has nitrifying bacteria in the root nodules? And the options are wheat, sugarcane, paddy and pea, and the answer will be pea. Why? Because pea is a leguminous crops, and as we know that in the root nodules of the leguminous crops, rhizobium bacteria, that is example of nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is present. Question number 8, which of the following is used for large scale storage of seeds? And options are silos, metal bins, sacks and none of these, and the answer will be silos, that is mainly used for large scale storage of the food grains or the seeds. Next, question number 9, which of the following is a disadvantage of pesticides? Options are may cause irritation, can lead to soil pollution from toxic coating on crops, and next is all of this, and the answer will be all of this. The second question, that is state true or false and correct the false statement, and option is the question number 1, that is plowing helps in loosening of the soil. Yes, this is true. Next, crop rotation is followed to improve crop yield. That is also true. Why? Because we know that the crop rotation is mainly helpful in increasing the fertility of the soil, and if the fertility of the soil will be improved, yield will be also improved. Next, DDT is an insecticide used in farming. Yes, this is also true. DDT, that is an example of insecticides, which is dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Question number 4, compost is a kind of fertilizer. This is false statement. Compost is a kind of manure, that is organic manure. So in this way we have to correct the false statement. Next question, the process of removing chaff from the grain, that is called threshing. Yes, this is also true. Next, rabi crops are grown in summer season. and harvested in winter season. This is false statement. Rabi crops are grown in winter season and harvested at the beginning of the summer season. So this is the false statement. Next question, that is fill in the blanks. First is, that is the method of sowing seeds manually. The answer will be broadcasting. Wheat is a rabi crop. Third question, compost lacks in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. In short form it is called N, P and K. And fertilizers are mainly rich in these nutrients. Question number 4, that irrigation is used in the areas where water is scarce. That is drip irrigation. The rearing of honeybee is called apiculture. Next question, choose the odd one out. Millets, groundnut and barley. And the answer will be barley. Barley is a rabi crops and rest are kharif crops. Next is question number 2, amaranthus, rose and sunflower. Rose and sunflower both are the flowering plants, but amaranthus, that is a type of weeds, that means unwanted plants. Question number 3 is sprinkler, rahat and drip. As we know that drip and sprinkle both are the modern system of irrigation, so the answer will be rahat. Fourth question, manure, weeding and fertilizers, and the answer will be weeding. Manures and fertilizers, these are the substances which are rich in nutrients, and weeding is the process by which we can remove the unwanted plants from the field. Next question, fourth, it is formed. Next question is, use the clues to complete the crossword. Fourth, it is formed when organic waste is decomposed. Question number 4, and the answer will be compost. And the answer will be multiple cropping. 7th, addition of atmospheric nitrates to the soil by lightning, and the answer will be nitrogen fixation. That is also the natural methods by which atmospheric nitrogen that is fixed to the plants. Next is removing chaffs from the seed, and the process that is called threshing. Next, down, growing two different crops one after the other. First will be crop rotation. Next, providing water to the field, and the process is called irrigation. Third question, the process of loosening of the soil, and that process is called, as we know, plowing. Next, 5th, chemical used to kill pest, and that is called pesticides. So I think all the objective questions that is completed. In the next video we will discuss about the short answer type and long answer type questions. Okay, so please go through the video and write all the question answers. Thank you, students.